How to see who reposted your Instagram post. 2026 guide. Want to know who reposted your Instagram post? Here's what you need to know and the correct method to check. Important first. Instagram does not show a full list of people who repost your normal posts. However, you can check reposts if someone shared your post to their story or if you're using a professional account. Method 1. Check story reshares, professional accounts only. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Open the post you want to check. Tap the three dots on the post. Tap View Story Reshares if available. You'll see users who shared your post to their stories only while their stories are active for 24 hours. Method 2. Check Post Insights. If you have a creator or business account, open your post, tap View Insights. Look for the shares count. This shows how many times your post was shared, but not the exact usernames. If you don't see the option, the post may not have been shared yet. Story reshares disappear after 24 hours. The feature only works on professional accounts. Quick summary. Instagram doesn't show all repost users. You can only see story reshares, temporary. Insights show the number of shares, not names.